How to download Aviator predictor app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to download Aviator predictor app. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and over here on the search bar just simply search for Aviator predictor. And as you can see on the search result, you won't be able to see any application which is called Aviator predictor. So in order to download the application successfully, all you have to do is just simply open your Chrome browser, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Aviator predictor APK download, and you will be able to see a bunch of different options. So in order to install the application successfully, just simply scroll down and you will be able to see the Aviator predictor official website, which will offer you to download the application from there. So I would suggest you to go for the authentic website itself, and after that just simply scroll down and you will be able to see the option called download APK. Just simply tap on it, and now it will check your country and all the other information fetching from your device itself. And once it is done, just simply tap on start, and it will complete the 100% processing before it will get downloaded in your mobile device. Or you can simply go ahead and click on next from the bottom of the screen, and just simply click on next like this, and the process will be completed. Until the process is completed till 100%, then you have to simply install the application while clicking on sign up from there, and just use your account. I'm selecting my email address right here, and as you can see that the process has 19% done, and then you have to click on confirm in order to install the application. And as soon as you click on confirm, you will be able to download the application quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to download Aviator predictor app quite easily. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.